G'day food lovers, welcome to another exciting culinary journey via eGreen channel. Today, we're diving into a dish that's taken the world by storm: avocado toast. This humble yet versatile creation has become a favorite for many. Once a simple breakfast staple, it's now a global phenomenon. From bustling cities to quiet towns, avocado toast has made its mark. From cafes in Melbourne to diners in New York, everyone's clamoring for a taste. It's not just a trend. It's a movement that's here to stay. What's the secret to its success? Simplicity, deliciousness, and a whole lot of nutritional goodness. Avocado toast combines the creamy richness of avocados with the satisfying crunch of toast. Avocado toast is the perfect example of how healthy eating can be both easy and incredibly satisfying. It's packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins. It's a blank canvas for culinary creativity too. You can add a variety of toppings to suit your taste. You can keep it classic with just a sprinkle of salt and pepper, or get adventurous with toppings like poached eggs, smoked salmon, or even pomegranate seeds. No matter how you slice it, avocado toast is a winner. It's quick to prepare, making it perfect for busy mornings or a light lunch. So, are you ready to dive into the delicious world of avocado toast? Let's get started. Grab your avocados, toast some bread, and let your creativity shine. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, avocado toast is a dish that anyone can master and enjoy. Avocados, the star ingredient of our beloved toast, are more than just creamy and delicious. They're nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. These green gems are rich in monounsaturated fats, the good kind of fat that helps lower bad cholesterol levels. This is fantastic news for your heart health. Avocados are also a great source of fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. But there's one nutrient in avocados that often gets overlooked: potassium. We all know bananas are a top source of potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and muscle function. But did you know that avocados actually pack more potassium than bananas? That's right. 100 grams of avocado contains about 485 milligrams of potassium. Compare that to a banana, which has about 358 milligrams per 100 grams. So next time you're looking for a potassium boost, reach for an avocado. Your heart will thank you for it. Now let's talk about the foundation of our avocado toast, the bread. The type of bread you choose can make a significant difference in the nutritional value of your meal. While white bread might be tempting with its soft texture and mild flavor, opting for whole grain bread adds a boost of fiber and nutrients that white bread simply can't offer. Whole grain bread is made from flour that contains the entire grain kernel, which includes the bran, germ, and endosperm. Whole grains are packed with fiber, which helps regulate digestion and keeps your blood sugar levels stable. This is particularly important for maintaining energy levels throughout the day and avoiding those mid-morning or afternoon slumps. They also contain essential vitamins and minerals like iron and magnesium. Iron is crucial for transporting oxygen in your blood, while magnesium plays a role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including energy production and muscle function. But the real star of the show when it comes to whole grains is their heart health benefits. The fiber in whole grains can help lower cholesterol levels, which is a key factor in reducing the risk of heart disease. Studies show that eating whole grains regularly can lower the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. This is because whole grains help improve blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and enhance overall cardiovascular health. So, choose whole grain bread for your avocado toast and enjoy a delicious and heart-healthy breakfast or snack. Not only will you be treating your taste buds, but you'll also be doing your heart a favor. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to significant health benefits over time. Section 5. Crafting the perfect avocado toast, a step-by-step guide. Today, we're diving into the art of making the perfect avocado toast. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this guide will walk you through each step to create a delicious and nutritious meal. Ready to make your own avocado toast masterpiece? It's a simple yet satisfying dish that can be customized to your taste Let's get started. It's easier than you think. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. First, toast it up. The foundation of any great avocado toast is the bread. Start with a slice of your favorite whole grain bread. Whole grain bread not only adds a nutty flavor, but also provides essential nutrients and fiber. Toast it to your desired level of crispness. Whether you like it lightly toasted or extra crispy, make sure it's just the way you like it. Personally, I like mine nice and golden brown. Next, prep the avocado. The avocado is the star of the show, so let's make sure it's perfectly ripe. Cut an avocado in half lengthwise, twist to separate, and remove the pit. A ripe avocado should be slightly soft to the touch, but not mushy. Scoop out the avocado flesh with a spoon. Make sure to get all the creamy goodness out of the skin, and place it in a bowl. Now, mash and season. This is where you can really make the avocado your own. Mash the avocado with a fork to your desired consistency. Some people prefer it smooth, while others like it chunky. I like mine a little chunky, as it adds a nice texture to the toast. But you can make it as smooth as you like. The key is to mash it until it reaches the consistency you prefer. Season generously with salt and pepper. Don't be afraid to add other seasonings like garlic powder, chili flakes, or a squeeze of lemon juice for extra flavor. Spread the mashed avocado evenly onto your toasted bread. Make sure to cover the entire surface for a perfect bite every time. Finally, get creative with toppings. This is where you can really personalize your avocado toast. This is where the fun begins. From fresh tomatoes and radishes to a sprinkle of feta cheese or a drizzle of balsamic glaze, the possibilities are endless. Add your favorite toppings to create your own flavor combinations. Experiment with different ingredients to find your perfect match. We'll explore some topping ideas in the next section. Stay tuned for more delicious inspiration to elevate your avocado toast game. Enjoy your creation. Section 6, Flavor Fusion, Balancing Taste and Nutrition. The beauty of avocado toast lies in its versatility. You can add a sprinkle of salt and pepper for a classic taste or get adventurous with different toppings. For a savory kick, try adding a poached egg, crumbled feta cheese, or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. If you prefer a fresher approach, sliced tomatoes, cucumbers, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze are always a winning combination. Remember, the key is to balance flavor and nutrition. Choose toppings that not only excite your taste buds, but also provide additional vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Section 7. Elevate your toast creative topping ideas. Feeling adventurous? Let's take your avocado toast to the next level with some creative topping ideas. Spicy sriracha shrimp. Top your toast with sautéed shrimp tossed in a spicy sriracha mayo for a fiery kick. Mediterranean medley. Create a Mediterranean-inspired masterpiece with hummus, chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, olives, and a drizzle of tahini dressing. Smoked salmon and dill. Indulge in a luxurious treat with smoked salmon, creamy avocado, fresh dill, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Don't be afraid to experiment and create your own signature avocado toast. The possibilities are endless. Section 8. Avocado toast. A celebration of healthy indulgence. Avocado toast is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of healthy indulgence. It's a reminder that eating well doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. With its creamy avocado, hearty whole grain bread, and endless topping possibilities, avocado toast is a testament to the fact that healthy eating can be both delicious and satisfying. So, go ahead and treat yourself to a slice or two of avocado toast. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Section 9. Embrace the delicious world of healthy eating. As we've seen with the humble yet mighty avocado toast, healthy eating doesn't have to be about deprivation or complicated recipes. It's about making conscious choices to nourish your body with wholesome, delicious foods that make you feel your best. So, embrace the delicious world of healthy eating. Experiment with different flavors, explore new ingredients, and most importantly, enjoy every bite. Subscribe to the Green Channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts,